channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am finally bringing you guys another tiered tray decorate with me for fall time. I haven't posted one of these in quite some time, but I am very happy to finally be bringing you this video. Now the tiered tray that we're going to be decorating is 3 tiers, so there is a lot of area to decorate and cover. So I will be going through showing you how I decorate and my tips for styling tiered trays. We will also be going through a few of the items that I will be using to style and decorate this tiered tray before we get into the decorate with me. If you do not already follow me on Instagram, please make sure to do so. I post way more often over there. It's just a lot easier to post rather than making a full YouTube video. Now I will be filming a Thanksgiving decorate with me today as well, which will be a separate video. That video will be going live before this one, so I will leave it in the description box down below if you would like to check that out as well. And without further ado, if you would like to see this video, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So getting this video started, we are going to go through a few of the items that I will be using to decorate this tiered tray. Now these items that I am going to share with you are from the tiered tray decor box. I have shared a few of their boxes here on my channel before. I absolutely love their subscription service. You can get new tiered tray decor pieces sent right to your front door, which makes decorating tiered trays even that much easier. I do have a discount code for you guys. It is Molly10. I will leave the link in the description box down below along with my discount code if you are interested in checking them out. So the first thing that they sent over reminds me of a cute little bird bath. I absolutely adore this piece, and it is great for another item that I will share with you in just a second to sit right on top of. It definitely has a rustic kind of vintage look to it, and this is the perfect height for tiered trays. That's the thing that I really love about all of these items that they include in the box, is that they will fit on the tiered tray, so you don't have to worry about them being too tall or big. So the next item that they put in the box is this really pretty pumpkin. I love the color of it. It is very soft. It's like a crochet yarn material, and this fits so well right on the top of that. So you will see this is how I actually use it when I decorate the tiered tray. As soon as I saw these 2 items, I knew that this is exactly how I wanted to style them. So the next thing that they sent over are these wooden pumpkins. When I saw these in the box, I fell in love with them. You can use these for so many different things, but you will see how I use them in this tiered tray. So the next thing that they sent is this little mini wooden kind of cutting board sign that says cheers y'all. Absolutely love this, especially for propping it up in the background. I love using little signs like this. It just adds some height, and you can also prop it up against the post that's in the middle of the tiered tray. Next thing that they included was this give thanks sign. Again, this is perfect for propping up and adding some height and also some depth as well. I love that it has this little twine rope on the top with some wooden beads, so you can hang this if you didn't want to use it for the tiered tray. And the last thing that they included in the box is this really pretty floral pick. I love that they include different picks in their boxes because you always need different floral picks and greenery picks to decorate your tiered tray to add in to fill some space. So this is what it looks like. It has 2 little floral pieces there, and then it has some greenery as well. So that's all that was in the tiered tray decor box. Again, I will leave it linked down below for you guys along with my discount code if you want to check them out. And now let's go ahead and get on to the decorating. So first I wanted to show you guys this really cool Project Home DIY kit. So they did send this to me, and it's really fun. They send you different DIY projects to do. They send you all of the supplies straight to your front doorstep, and they also send a little card where you can follow a step-by-step video on how to do the DIY. So they did send over this 3-tiered tray. Like I said, they do provide all of the materials, so they did provide the stain. Now, if you're going to put the paper on the inside of these, which I actually ended up doing, you do not need to stain the inside, just the outside. But I wanted to go ahead and stain it just in case I decided against that. Now, the stain is a really pretty kind of gray color. It's definitely very minimal, so it's not going to be too overpowering or anything. I love that this tiered tray is definitely different than any of the other tiered trays that I own, and it was really fun doing a little DIY that didn't take too much time. They did also give me a discount code for you guys if you are interested in checking them out. I think this would be a really fun gift idea, or even getting it for you and your family to do during the holidays. My discount code is Molly20 and it will get you 20% off. I will leave a link to their website and my discount code in the description box down below. Now, as you can see here, I am putting this contact paper on. I'm just going to be putting some glue on the back of it and then placing it down. They do have them pre-cut, so you don't need to do any of that, which I absolutely loved. Once we are done applying the paper, we're going to start assembling the tiers together. Now, on their Instagram, they do have this kind of setup to where all of the squares are not even, but with my OCD, I really wanted everything to be symmetrical, so that is how I went ahead and left mine, but you can set it up however you'd like. Now on to the decorate with me. These are the items that I will be using. I do this every single time I decorate an area of my home or a tiered tray. I lay out all of the decor that I have to use so that I can pick right from it and I don't have to go rummaging through like a tote or anything. Like I've said in my previous tiered tray decorate with me's, my biggest 2 tips is to add height and make sure to fill in empty space when you're decorating a tiered tray. This one obviously is a little bit bigger than most tiered trays. It does have 3 tiers to it, so you have a lot of space to decorate with. Tiered trays are definitely one of my favorite things to decorate because I feel like it definitely challenges me because I don't do the same thing over again, so it kind of gets my creative juices moving. These little pumpkin stems are actually from the Dollar Tree. I think they were fairly hard to find, but I did pick them up early on in this season. Obviously, fall is pretty much almost over. People are so ready for Christmas time, which that is coming very soon here on my channel. But I did want to share this one last fall video with you guys before we move on to Christmas content. This little truck at the top of the tray is my absolute favorite part. I got the truck from Hobby Lobby. They have some every single season. They have a white one right now for Christmas time. And then I'm taking these tiny little pumpkins that I randomly found at the Target dollar spot section. I believe we were up in Denver one day and they were just randomly sitting there. A lot of them were scattered out of the bag. So I just picked them all back up, put them in the bag, and they are the absolute cutest. I never saw anyone else post about them, so I don't really know if they were just like a limited thing or what, but I love the way that the little truck came out with some pumpkins in the back of it. This little truck came from the Target dollar spot section, and so did this little sign. This came in a tiered tray kit. If you guys did not see that this year, they came out with, I want to say 3 different styles of tiered tray kits, which I thought was a really fun idea. I have seen that Walmart is coming out with their own little spin-off of the tiered tray kits for Christmas time. So make sure to check them out for some new tiered tray decor. I know that Walmart is very sparse on their decor, so if you see something that you like, pretty much anywhere you go, pick it up because they are probably not going to get in any more of that item. I did decide to decorate the back of this tiered tray because I had no idea where I was going to put this, so I just went ahead and went with it. I really enjoy the way that the front and the back turned out, so I'd love to hear your opinions in the comments down below of which side was your favorite. That is going to conclude today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me decorate a tiered tray for fall time. Let me know if you would like to see one for Christmas time. And also make sure you are following me over on Instagram if you're not already. The link is always in the description box down below. And I will also leave all of the links to the items that I can shown in today's video down there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.